He's so deadpan. Or serious. Or whatever. One of the above.
I don't really blame him.
No, it's totally his role in the story is to be that normal guy who's like, could you not look up my skirt, please? I thought I was supposed to get... I feel weird I haven't gotten a single achievement yet. Maybe I just have the notifications turned off. I'll check later. Why? Stop! Stop with the lightning.
Oh man, speaking of lightning, this need
Are you talking about Final Fantasy 13 now?
No.
Okay. I was just joking.
I seen a post online and it was about some guy who, when he was alive, got hit by lightning like 2 or 3 times.
Yeah.
And then he was dead and his tombstone got hit by lightning.
That's crazy. Was he killed by the lightning strike?
I don't think so.
No, that's like, good, I guess. I don't even know what to say. No, lightning doesn't like anybody that it hits. Whoa! I did the armadillo spin there. It was fucking nuts.
Can't get this Katy Perry song out of my head. Oh, what a
Hey man, at least they went with like a timely reference, eh?
Yeah.
People will know Katy Perry is many years down the road. Now, all you needed to do was hear the name Katy Perry. There's probably people at home with now of the Katy Perry concept. Like, oh, I just saw her electricity. I mean, I just saw her bones.
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's like Street Fighter 2 style. No, I didn't notice. Has that been happening like a ton? Or is that the first time it's happened?
I think there's this time we got it.
Oh, okay.
It happened.
Cool. What? Stop! Stop, everybody. Just calm down. That was a loud part of the fucking game. Also, the OCD part of me wants to just stop and get all this stuff. I don't think I can.
What do you think it is, Nick?
Well, I hope it's a torso and legs and stuff. Not a dick.
Not a dick?
Yeah.
Why not a dick? You could just have a dick strapped onto the bottom of his neck hole. Still better than not having one
Would
at
it
all.
be retractable?
I don't know. I just made this up, I guess. Would you rather be a skeleton who gets to live forever? Or just regular? I don't know. I don't even know what else. Would you be a skeleton if you got to live forever?
I'd totally do that. I'd like hide in people's closets and shit. I'd have a good time if I was just a skeleton.
Yeah, you'd get sick of that pretty fast, though. Breaking into people's houses and they'd be arresting like fucking skeletons. You're just like, I'll just break out of jail. I'm so thin. I'll just put it out to the bars. Like, we're sending you to skeleton jail.
Nice jump.
That was pretty good. You're good form.
I can't wait for you to shoot the fuck out of stuff with this.
Cordelia's like the best big sister ever. Chainsaw Blaster!
Oh, it shoots chainsaws. Yay. Yay.
Zombie baseball. Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies.
They're all the boss fights have to be annoying. That's because we haven't done them before.
The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Nice. The triggers finally do something.
My new present to test run. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw
You
Blaster.
shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
I guess it's kind of funny.
Sweet shot.
Chainsaw Blaster.
It's classic comedy for sure.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Why am I just murdering them?
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like
Oh,
they
nice.
want to play ball.
Oh, that tune. Everything pops up.
Neat.
Here I go.
You can do it, baby.
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
Yes.
Blaster.
Chainsaw Blaster. Ed Williams, your face.
Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. 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 Blaster.
Sounds good. This isn't as bad as I thought it might be.
No.
I mean, it's
Looking good.
cool.
Pop it. Blaster. Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
Just kind of disappointed in Chainsaw Blaster.
No, I need all these points. Give me the extra points.
Hold up, but just have to say Chainsaw.
Chainsaw blaster, chainsaw blaster.
Don't fail me now.
That's how game
What is
game design's hard. Come on, let me just fucking shoot this guy.
Chainsaw blaster.
Whoa, where'd that guy come from? Yay! I guess I just killed a bunch of them.
Chainsaw blaster.
Chainsaw blaster. Just in case you fucking forgot what it's called. It's a chainsaw blaster.
Home run!
Blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
Hey, it's a chainsaw blaster.
It's a what?
It's a chainsaw blaster.
Well, the game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna go off. While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things up in the booth. See ya.
I protected you.
What's going on there? That's a different screen than before.
It is.
I guess because they both died. Rest in peace. RIP. I thought I had that one. I hope this isn't actually challenging. I don't know what to do with this chainsaw. The auto aim was really fucking me. I don't know if you noticed that, but every time I tried to do it, it was like it would go to the opposite side that I wanted to be on.
Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies.
Alright, you
Can
gotta get
score a
three
winning home run?
home runs. Yeah, it's
The
super
game
fast.
starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Yeah, I get it.
Let's give my new
So wait,
present
what's it
a
called?
test run.
Not funny.
Chainsaw blaster.
Kind of.
Blaster.
You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
This is a lot easier.
Sweet shot.
I don't. This is gonna have some baseball significance, but I really don't know shit about
The ninth,
baseball.
Juliet Starling at bat.
I can't
Looks
do
like they want to
baseball.
play ball.
What do you mean you can't do baseball? Like, you can't play it, or you just don't like it at all?
I just don't like it at all.
Well, yeah.
Here I go.
I think it's boring as shit to watch,
You're not
but
getting in the way of my chainsaw
it's
blaster.
not the end of the world.
Chainsaw blaster.
I'll Ted
Chainsaw
Williams your face?
Look at that one.
Yes.
It didn't even go through
It's not great. Like, it's like the auto aim like always seems to go to the worst one possible.
blaster.
Oh, there we go.
Chainsaw blaster.
Check out that form.
Nice. I'm glad I got it.
Chainsaw blaster. Blaster.
Yeah. 1 point.
Chainsaw blaster.
What does does mean?
Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
Chainsaw blaster.
Chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster.
Well, the
Fuck!
game's over. Guess that bomb's gonna
That was
go
even
off.
faster than
While you're
last
blown
time.
into a million fucking pieces, think
A
we'll wrap
million
things up in
fucking
the booth.
pieces.
See ya.
Thanks.
Are we gonna do it again?
Yeah, I'll love you, baby, always.
Embarrassing. This time. Alright, we got the hint. Don't look up her skirt. She's not even wearing a skirt. They're short shorts. Can't even look up those.
What? Be your dad's high school?
Yeah, some reference. Some mysterious reference to dad.
Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies.
Alright.
Score a winning home run.
Hold it in front of your crotch like a dick. There you go.
The game starts with the home team losing by an overwhelming amount of runs.
Oh, do I have to shoot the gun now?
Let's give my new
Chainsaw
present a
blaster.
blaster.
Did I get? Yeah.
I wish you could just skip this part.
Throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
Would he go farther if he gets to the ground more? Does it do anything if he goes farther?
I don't think so.
Sweet
I think you just need to get rid of their their team, their lineup, so that you can give a shot to
Bottom
hit.
of the ninth, Juliet Starling
I'm
at
even following
bat.
the rules of
Looks
baseball
like they
too
want to
closely.
play ball.
Maybe. I don't know the rules.
You only get so many guys up before you have to let the other team
Here I
hit.
go! Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick.
And you're basically allowed to go for as long as you want,
Team Cell
or as long as you can. Keep getting around.
Williams, your face.
Blaster. Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
Don't be mad.
Neat.
They just look really good.
Chainsaw Blaster.
Another hit.
Chainsaw
Yeah.
Blaster. Looking good.
Perfect.
Oh man, this is fun.
Cool.
Yeah!
Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
It's a chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw blaster. I've said chainsaw blaster so many times, the words have lost all meaning.
It doesn't sound like it's a real word.
See, that the middle one really fucking me. It's like,
Chainsaw Blaster.
no!
Chainsaw Blaster.
Fucking.
Blaster.
This is unbelievably annoying.
Blaster.
Yeah, we get it. Chainsaw blaster. Blah blah blah.
Oh man, wait.
You see that? I wonder if I shot him in the back a mistake. I hope she hits him.
While you're blown into a million fucking pieces, think we'll wrap things
That
up in the
chainsaw,
booth.
like
See
if the
ya.
revving of the chainsaw is especially bad because it like raised the power up.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I'll love you, baby, always.
This isn't helping my hate of baseball.
No, of course not. Why would it? Why would it help? God damn it. Anyway,
The chainsaw full swing is the most powerful attack.
Zombie baseball.
I didn't notice.
Aim and shoot at the approaching zombies.
I was just thinking about
Can you score
chainsaw
a winning
blasters.
home run?
Fucking chainsaw blasters.
The game starts with the home team losing by
Yeah,
an
and then
overwhelming
guess
amount
I
of
have to
runs.
shoot these guys. Watch me shoot them.
Let's
It's
get
so
ready for
hard,
President's
and then it gets
Test Run.
ridiculously hard right away because it's not designed to let me aim in a comfortable fashion.
You shot him instead of throwing a ball at him. That's hilarious.
And but if you're like on your target, it starts to auto aim when you get close. So if you like go to auto aim like away from the guy, it'll like drag you back sometimes.
Yeah.
I feel like they could have picked the session protection up. Maybe this is the idea of it being like hard as fuck.
Bottom of the ninth, Juliet Starling at bat.
Looks like they want to play ball.
Literally.
With the chainsaw.
Here I go! Woo!
You're not getting in the way of my Nick. Chainsaw Blaster.
Ted Williams, your face.
Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster. Blaster.
Come on.
Blaster.
The auto aim is ridiculously bad.
Blaster.
It'd be worse if I didn't need to keep getting ammo for it, you know?
Yeah.
I mean, it'd be better because then I could just let go of it. But it keeps like auto correcting me as soon as I hit the fucking left trigger to aim to the other side of the screen.
Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
Oh yes, I roll!
What does mean?
Chainsaw Blaster. Chainsaw Blaster.
It's a chainsaw blaster. Chainsaw laughter? Don't cheat on me, Nick. Don't leave me for the zombie girls.
No, I'm pretty sure having cheerleaders.
A zombie?
No, just like the cheerleaders affecting the game. So losing a foul or something.
No, that's true. They're zombies though. They don't play by anyone's rules but their own. What's that noise? You just hear ridiculously loud noise there?
The cheerleader type noise.
No. Whoa, that guy's body was just like, look at me, I'm rotted.
Victory! Looks like zombie baseball
Humans
has
win
its own
again.
Babe Ruth, and she's a real babe.
Get it? She's hot. People want to have sex with her.
Specifically that.
I guess we should find my sister.
Announcer?
Yeah.
Who I'm pretty sure is behind the whole thing.
Gigantic swimming pool.
Just the guy that pressed the button.
Exactly. I guess that goth kid did it at the start. But that's too obvious. Like, way too obvious. That was kind of a boring section, that 10 seconds where I had to run there.
Juliet, Mom, can you believe Cordelia wants to buy a motorcycle? There is no way. Those things are death traps.
Bam!
Dad has one,
You can't tell if it's at the front or the back. I bet that thing about her wanting to buy a motorcycle is actually going to come back later.
Time to shop.
Somehow. Some magical way. These awesome skills seem to be what it's all about.
There it is. There it is.
Alright, yeah. That's pretty... That's like something I probably already should have had. I electrocuted myself, if nothing else. Alright, I'm just seeing if there's like a quick save option. There's not. If you start a stage, you better be prepared to finish that stage. This sniper can't be a bad guy. Oh, it's Cordelia. Thought about shooting her for a little bit too long.
Why did she have to look through the
Something on you.
scope?
No,
She wasn't
Cordelia.
that high up.
That's just my boyfriend. Nick.
What's she doing with her hand? Is that her whispering? Why is her hand so fucking big?
Thanks. The whole no body thing is cool. I won't have to worry about gaining weight. Food will just fall out of my neck. OMG! Then I wouldn't be as gross and fat as I am now.
Oh my god.
Food falling out of my neck. That's disgusting.
Take that, people with body issues.
Yeah.
Or maybe it's a comment on how she's like bulimic. Yeah, she works too hard to be thin, and she thinks she's fat. That's actually a disease people have. They think they're fat when they're thin, as opposed to people who just have guts and they look down. It looks bigger than it really is because you're looking at the bad angle. I'm sure his boss fight will be no problem at all.
If it isn't the Pirates of the Jerk-Off-Inn.
That's sick.
Got a lot of gall setting foot on my ship, Stelpa. Getting a little seasick.
You have nothing to throw up. It's okay.
He's just gagging.
Alright,
Try you.
boys. Ymir, let's cut this bit into bite-sized chunks.
Let's stick blast beat.
I'm gonna use her face to make a hat, and use her spine as a back scratcher.
So, the next guy's gonna be a bassist and a guitarist, right? Wait a minute. Nick's a bassist, isn't he?
Let's show her the Viking way.
He's gonna be the end boss. She's not allowed to smoke, so they gave her a lollipop. But yeah, like, he's a bassist, and they already have a singer and a drummer, and then 2 other bosses, and then there's gonna be an end boss. And like, you forgot about the bass player, babe. I don't know. You can take over every zombie, and that's why I'll have to rage quit when we fight him.
We are Viking short and stout. We like like to drink and fuck, fuck, fuck.
That's not what Vikings say. I don't know what I'm supposed to do here. Oh man, I'm getting fucked.
You know what? Not as much health came out as Twitter.
No, you're right. Keep forgetting how to jump. Oh,
Oh, did you use the blaster? The chainsaw blaster?
what's it called?
The chainsaw blaster? I think.
Chainsaw
I think
blaster.
I'm not.
Fuck, I keep trying to jump. And I like, yeah, do this. You cool. Not even mad. Fuck off. No, not you, Juliet.
Fighting has always freaked me out. I am not in the mood to be deep fried.
That did decent damage, and I got rid of his fucking zombie buddy. What am I doing? Yeah, I think I need to slice him down here. And then when he goes up top, I'll have the ammo. That's so cool. The coolest thing in the whole game. Oh man, counter attack. Oh, wrong button. Sorry. Come on. Don't be a dick. Oh, shooting counterattack. No, that's not good. I'm definitely letting this guy kick the shit out of me. This almost elbowed you.
Almost, not quite.
Whoop. No, they should be. I bet, like, if this guy did as much damage as he was supposed to do, like, on the hard difficulty, he's probably a real pain in the ass. But he's so slow. Sorry, I just had the match shit of that. Wow. He's not dead yet, though. They're never dead in one sequence.
A lot of gall, little girl.
Got a lot of gall. Do you think it's a reference? Yeah, I know. They know who Gorgoroth is.
Yeah, of course.
And they're like, what is metal to you? He's like, Satan. You ever see that interview? It's hilarious. Vicky the Viking. Alright, he's not let me hit you. That's fine. Now he's pissed.
I really like his voice.
Yeah. Black metal. Oh, I love it. Black metal dropkick. Hey. No one likes to know it all. Whoa, I'm fucking getting fried. Not in a good way. That's the lamest shit that's said all minute.
She said chainsaw blaster again.
Chainsaw blaster. Alright, and let's save some ammo. Oh, this ammo seems like it does a good job of coming back. Chainsaw blaster though. Whoa. I'm gonna take your suggestion though and kick the shit out of his legs. I have the chance. This is pretty helpful. I'm glad you're here to point that one thing out.
I pointed out like a couple things.
Thanks. You need to talk yourself up.
I helped you beat the last boss. You can do it.
Thanks. You say you can do it?
You couldn't.
Nah, you're right. The last boss was a pain in the ass. This guy is a lot better. Oh! Come on, Vicky. Come on down here, Vicky. He doesn't like it. It's not good for him. No, I need those for singing. I don't know why he's Mexican all of a sudden. Chainsaw blast. No, he's fine. He's still fine.
I feel the power of the gods in me blood.
Oh man, he ate himself. And he's gonna fall with his bomb in his neck. Chainsaw blaster. Yeah, just jump. You're pretty much invincible the whole time you jump. You have to be a fucking idiot to get beaten by this guy. I think I'm about to get killed by him. After I say something like that. Really? You just letting me go ham. No chainsaw blaster required. Chainsaw blaster. Yeah, just jump. If it seems like it's gonna get hit, just jump out of the way. You're fine. I could have played on hard if I wanted to be challenged. It shouldn't make fun of the game. Although, the last boss fight kicked the shit out of me. No, not like this. Fuck off. I'm gonna get killed by this boss. I'm spending all my resources. Come on, you doom guy with him.
Yes, it's time.
Yes, it's time. I thought it was time.
Yes, you just get it.
I was worried I wasn't gonna run out of time. I was gonna run out of time. Gotta mash harder. Nah, he's not dead yet. She's not that little. She's 18. I'm a warrior.
I hear Viking brains are good for the complexion.
Oh, Wolf's head's coming back.
Did not.
Poor dog. This game wants you to know something important is happening right now. Can you feel it in the controller? No, stop.
This bites my non-existent balls.
Not my lollipops! I worked hard to get all those fucking lollipops. And not eat them in the last boss battle.
They're pretty good.
Lollipops? Yeah, they're usually pretty consistent. 4 fucking continues. These?
Sweet.
Cool.
Yeah, another bronze. Bronze, silver, bronze. I'll never be the best. Make no more in the world.
I was trying to resist it.
Yeah, it's fucking Pokemon theme. O'Bannon Farm. Dan O'Bannon. You didn't know the name, well now you do. Rest in peace, he died a couple years ago.
Hmm?
He died a couple years ago. Dan O'Bannon? Wait a minute, we weren't supposed to go here. Wait a
Even
minute,
another
I hit B,
outfit.
not A. We do. And this one's got a skirt, so of course we're going back to it.
Well, I don't hate it.
Yeah, because we're doing it for America.
Holy shit.
Alright, we're good.